guys? Welcome back to Our World Outdoors. If you've been following along with us doing our North Country Trail miles, then you'll recognize where we're at here. This is Township Road 312 out in Trimble Township, just outside Glouster, I guess. Yeah, this would be considered?
Near Glouster.
Near Glouster. So we're back here again. In an earlier video, we went from here all the way over to Burr Oak Dam. It was a great hike, a lot of cool scenery. Now we're gonna go the other way to Murray City. All right, so in Murray City, Missy, who looks so cute today, look at her hair. She parked her truck over at the city park, which is about a block away from the intersection right there the NCT passes through. It's gonna be some road walks today, but we're getting out, we're enjoying it. It is hunting season, so us kind of staying out of the woods is kind of a good thing. So let's get out here, get these miles, because we're closing in on our 100-mile goal.
So we've just started the hike, and there's some elevation gain to begin with, which is kind of good for me because I need that. But it's the leaves are starting to fall. They've fallen quite a bit, so the woods are starting to clear up, so you can start seeing all the way across to the other hillside and stuff. So that's always a neat time of year. And just a reminder, if you happen to do this hike, that Township Road 312 where we parked has a lot of big, deep potholes. So just be careful, make sure you're in a vehicle that you can get down it.
So, you guys should know, first mile and a quarter of this hike, consistent uphill elevation. Not terrible, but enough you're gonna feel it. I wouldn't want to do it in the dead of summer. I think it's kind of nice doing it in the fall. But we're up here on a gravel road on top of the ridge top now. So, time to get down here, get these miles. Okay, so we've had a slight navigational error. We're still on the NCT. We didn't get off trail or miss a turn or nothing like that. So what happened, honey?
I messed up on the maps and I didn't get the full trail on my maps on Avenza.
So I asked my wife, I said, how far down the map are we, honey? Now, to be fair, she has to go in, find this on a different kind of program, transfer that information over to Avenza, which maps it out and gives us a coordinate to follow, basically, kind of like All Trails does. And we'll be doing a video on this soon, how to do this, but the map only lets you block it in such areas. She thought she was in that area, so she had no clue when we started how far we were off the map. So it could have been 10 miles, but
it wouldn't have been no 10 miles. I'm not that bad.
Anyway, so how much more did this add to the trip? Which we don't even really know the distance. We always have a guess because of that map, but it's never right.
It's a little bit over a mile. Quit crying.
Really? A mile more? How you told me crying? Wait, how you told me crying?
Except for like 50 feet from before we reached the map.
Wretched?
Before we got to the map.
So we appreciate the Smoke Rise Ranch letting Buckeye Trail and NCT hikers go through their property. So we take the extra time to make sure their gates closed just like they asked. not the Grayson Highlands, but we've got ponies. Hi guys, how are you? Okay, so we just spent a few miles on Hunter Dawn Road. We were down here at 78 intersection. You got to make a right. Now, if you're interested in going horseback riding or any of that in the area, Smoke Rise Ranch. That's where all them horses and cabins are. So let's get on 78 here, take it into Murray City. Guys, welcome to Murray City. Let's get back to the car. Okay guys, so we came to the end of 78 here. We're at 216. Turn right on 216 if you wanted to continue on the NCT, but this is where we stopped. We parked over across the street about a block over in a city park, so we're gonna get out of here from here. But honey, what are we at mileage wise?
We hiked 7 miles today, which puts us 81 miles hiked, 19 left to go.
19 more miles, so we're almost there. Time to get out of here and get something to eat. We'll see you in the next one.